So to calculate Cij using these PQRST, we have C11 is equal to P plus S minus T plus V. C12 is R plus T, C21 is Q plus S, and C22 is P plus R minus Q plus U. So this comes out to be the calculation for my final matrix C. अब क्या हुआ है? If you can just see what is happening over here is, I have divided my Tn into 7 problems of multiplication of size Tn by 2 plus how many number of scalar additions are there? Say some constant a n square additions are there. जितनी भी additions आ रही हैं, there are some constant at each step. You can calculate them. This is all when n is greater than 2. This is all when n is greater than 2. When n is less than equal to 2, this is going to take some constant time. Only the additions are there. Nothing else is there. जब उससे बड़ा है तभी तो आप डिवाइड करोगे. When you have reached a matrix of n of size 2, then you will not be dividing it further. You will be doing the multiplications. ये ठीक हो गया? Till when are you dividing? Where a and b are obviously positive constants. I'm saying a and b are positive constants. So till when are we dividing the subproblems? I am dividing the subproblems till I have my n to be greater than 2. In case n is less than equal to 2, it is going to take some constant time for calculation of the multiplication of the problem. Is this clear to all? Anybody's any doubt? हाँ ना कुछ बोल दो मेरे बच्चों.
No, ma'am.
In case now I try to calculate the complexity for this, if I try to observe the complexity, what is the complexity that is coming out to be? T of n is equal to an square to 1 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 square. I'm trying to do it by substitution method over, I'm trying to do it by iterative method here. Using iterative method, I'm just trying to open this again and again and again. So what I do is I reach 7 by 4 raised to the power k minus 1 plus 7 raised to the power k t of 1, where n is equal to 2 raised to the power k, if you recall. What am I doing? Tn by 2 में अगर मैं दोबारा सब्स्टिट्यूट करूं तो क्या आएगा? समझ आ रहा है ना क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
मैम एक बार फिर से समझा दो. ये
हम कर चुके हैं प्रीवियस क्लास में. दैट इज व्हाई आई वाज नॉट गोइंग इन डिटेल, बट दिस इज 7 tn by 2 plus an square. If I substitute, this is 7 into 7 tn by 4 plus an square, an by 2 whole square,
n by 2 whole square
plus an square.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो समझ आ रहे हैं. Again, that this becomes 7 square into tn by 4 plus 7 into a into n by 2 whole square plus an square. ऐसे ही आएंगी ना terms?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree to this? If I am trying to take an square common from here, this becomes 7 square t of n by 4 plus an square into 1 plus 7 by 4. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
In case you people are not able to understand, please stop and ask. I can explain 1,000 times. Please let me know. Similarly, if I continue, this comes out to be, if I am taking an square to be common term, ये वाली term I am writing first, 1 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 square plus so on till what term? 7 by 4 raised to the power k minus 1.
K.
K minus 1 because पहली term के लिए we were having a n square. So we are moving till k minus 1 term. Plus I am having 7 raised to the power k into t of 1. Now if 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power k, this is what we are replacing it with. N is equal to 2 raised to the power k. I am taking n to be 1. This becomes 1. What becomes k? What becomes k?
Log 1. 0. Log 1 raised 2.
Log n.
0.
K becomes log n in that case. K को log n से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें. T1 हमारा b टाइम ले रहा है. T1 कितना टाइम ले रहा है? कांस्टेंट टाइम ले रहा है b.
Yes, ma'am.
K is log n. ये क्लियर है? I am going to substitute it here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I can rewrite the same thing from down. इसी चीज को दोबारा लिख रहे हैं. This becomes an square into 1 plus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 square till 7 by 4 raised to the power
K minus 1.
log of n minus 1 plus I am having
Yes, ma'am.
plus I am having 7 raised to the power k. So it is 7 raised to the power log of 7. Sorry, log of n into some constant which I am ignoring here. Into some constant b time taken. ये ठीक है सबको? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is I am taking this to be greater than some cn square into what is the sum of this? What will be the sum of this?
0.
जल्दी बता दो भाई लोगों. Can I write this? I am taking some constant c जो कि a और b से बड़ा होगा. ये सारी terms हम add करते जा रहे हैं till I am having 7/4 raised to the power log n minus 1. हमने यहाँ पे 7/4 raised to the power log n ले लिया multiplied by some c into n square remains as it is plus the term remains as it is. Yes. Should I solve further or all of you are understanding? N square can be written as log 4 to the base 2. Log 4 to the base 2 is nothing but 2 only.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
can be replaced by log 4 to the base 2. That is all I am doing. Plus इसकी power ले रहे थे ना हम, so I am taking the same thing. So plus you are having here n raised to the power log 7 to the base 2 plus I am again taking minus 2 over here. So it comes out to be minus of log 4 to the base 2. And I am having this. How can I write this also? This can also be written as n raised to the power log. Can I do that? Using logarithmics. Log ही use कर रहे हैं हम, basic log.
Yes, ma'am.
Finally, I reached to find out that I have reached a stage where I can say that this is all a big O of n raised to the power 2.81. Basic log mathematics and I am able to deduce the same. आप इस सब की जगह सीधा मास्टर्स थ्योरम भी यूज कर सकते हो जो मैंने पहले समझाया था. It is one and the same thing. इस मेथड से नहीं करना तो मास्टर्स थ्योरम यूज कर लो. अभी करा था हमने. Any method works. I am saying any method. I'm just trying to prove that the complexity has been reduced from n cube to n raised to the power 2.81 using the Stresson's matrix multiplication algorithm. ये सबको क्लियर हुआ? Should I give you all an example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll do this using a small example over here. I want you all to do the example with me. So we'll use the same formulas that we have, and I'm taking a very small example for you all so that we have simpler calculations. So I'm having a problem. C is equal to, I'm having two matrices of size 2 cross 2. I'm taking the matrices of size 2 cross 2. Oh, sorry, I have to take them initially 4 cross 4, otherwise I'll not be able to divide them. Division तो 2 से बड़े पे ही हो रही है ना. So supposedly these are matrices 1 1 1 1. I'm having these as, for simplicity, I'm having these as only same matrix ताकि हमें आसानी हो कैलकुलेशन में and nothing else. That is what I'm doing. So 4 cross 4 की 2 2 मैट्रिक्स है जिन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. This is my matrix A, this is my matrix B. So I have A11, B1, all are 1 here, and B11, B12 all are here. I start with calculating the value of P using the formulas which I don't recall myself, but the formula here is A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22, which comes out here to be 2 into 4, which is 8. ठीक है? All of you please start doing this. Start calculating PQ, RS, TUV. समझ आ रहा है ना? What am I doing? Give me a yes or no,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, all of you, if you are able to understand this, what is A11? ये समझ आ रहा है पहले? All of you understand this? ये समझ आ रहा है सबको?
Yes.
जो मैंने पहले लिखा था वो गलत था, बिकॉज नाउ अगर इसका हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, हमें पहले डिवाइड तो करना पड़ेगा. अभी तक हमने डिवाइड ही नहीं करा. 2 स्टेप्स में हुई मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
Yes, ma'am.
ये समझ आया सबको? नहीं समझ आया?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
नो मैम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. अब समझो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. अब ये मैट्रिसेस हैं ऐसे B11 से लेके B22 तक भी सिमिलर मैनर में 2 क्रॉस 2 की मैट्रिसेस में पहले डिवाइड होगा. अब यू हैव टू सी कि व्हाट इज C. C is, if you calculate in PQRS की टर्म्स, तो वो PQRS की टर्म्स में जो भी कैलकुलेशंस है वो आ रही हैं. You have to calculate them from these sub matrices, not directly. उन सब मैट्रिसेस की कैलकुलेशन करके फिर कैलकुलेट होगा. A11 into A12 अगर है तो that is a multiplication of these two. It is not direct. If I am having P is equal to A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22, then it is this matrix 1 1 1 1 को प्लस करोगे तो 2 2 2 2 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, into the matrix 2 2 2 2 plus 2 2 2 2 will be here 4 4 4 4. Are you understanding this, all of you? The sum of these two matrices will come out to be these two matrices. Am I clear? Give me a yes or no immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
These
Yes, ma'am.
matrices have to be further calculated using the same formula for PQ, RS, TUV. ये समझ आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
बाइफरकेशन करनी पड़ेगी ना पहले. इनकी फर्दर बाइफरकेशन नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि ये 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिसेस हैं. तो अब जब हमें कैलकुलेशन करनी है तो हम डायरेक्ट करेंगे. बट A11 is a sub matrix again of size 2 cross 2. ये क्लियर हो रहा है सबको? Yes or no? Give me one
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Now I am going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the calculations for. No ma'am, किसने बोला? जल्दी बोलो. किसी ने नहीं बोला, सबको समझ आ रहा है? Now I am going to show the same calculations for this P. P की calculation के लिए भी हमें same तरीका ही use करना पड़ेगा. तो P is going to be calculated using two matrices, say X and Y, where X and Y are the matrices 2, 2, 2, 2 into 4, 4, 4, 4. Right? So what is happening in this case is I again divide them. This is suppose some xi, x11, x12, x21, x22 for simplification. Similarly, y11, y12, y21 and y22. Now I have to calculate the PQRS for these. So P dash, suppose I am taking here, it comes out to be x11 plus x22 into y11 plus y22. Again, this comes out to be, if I am going to calculate x11, x12, so I am going to do 2 plus 2 only. This comes out to be 2 into 4 plus 4 is 8. Comes out to be 16. ये समझ आया आप सबको? Yes, no? कोई जवाब ही नहीं मिला, सब चुप है. नहीं समझ आ रहा तो बोलो बेटा.
मैम 2 नहीं होगा 4 होगा ना. 2 plus 2.
Ah, sorry. This is 2 plus 2, 4, and this comes out to be 32, right? So again, similarly, if I am calculating, this comes out to be 4 into 4 comes out to be 8. R dash comes out to be x11 into y12 minus y22, which comes out to be 0. समझ आ रहा है सबको क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Thankful, I am hoping कि समझ आ रहा है. I am just giving you one example of solving these. So similarly, S dash. Any doubt, please?
मैम ये 4 8 कैसे आया वो समझ नहीं आया.
ठीक है, मेरी कैलकुलेशन एरर हो गया. अब ठीक है?
यस मैम.
इतना कर लो corrections. I am also doing it here right now only. So this comes out to be 2 into 0 comes out to be 0. Similarly, T dash comes out to be x11 plus x12 into y22. Again comes out to be 4 into 4 comes out to be 16. U dash comes out to be x11 minus x21 minus x11 into y11 plus y12 comes out to be 0 again. This term is 0. So I have P dash to be 32. I am taking it. P dash is 32. Q dash is 16. R dash is 0. I am still to calculate V, I know that. So I am calculating V dash, which is equal to again x12 minus x22 into y21 plus y22. Again comes out to be a 0. So now I have P dash is equal to 32, Q dash is equal to 16, R dash is 0, S dash is 0, T dash is 16, U dash is 0, and V dash is again 0. All of you are getting these answers? Now I have to calculate the submatrices for my original P matrix. That is, say I am having my P11, that will be calculated as this P dash plus S dash minus T dash plus V dash. The formula I am using, it is 32 plus 0 minus 16 plus a 0. This gives me 16. Similarly, I have P12 is equal to R dash plus T dash. It comes out to be 0 plus 16 comes out to be 16. Similarly, I have P21 is equal to Q dash plus S dash, which comes out to be 16 plus 0, again a 16. And P22 comes out to be P dash plus R dash minus Q dash plus U dash. That is what I'm having the formula. So the formula comes out to be 32 plus 0 minus 16 plus a 0 gives me 16 again, which was obvious. So the matrix that I have calculated, I hope you all are understanding this. In case you're not, just let me know. We are not going to do this by our hands. Computer will do this. अभी हमें लग रहा है कि मैम हम क्यों इतना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, but it gets solved very quickly by computer. अभी तक हमें सिर्फ P मिली है, P Q R S T U V सारे ढूंढने हैं हमें, जिससे कि हमें ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स पे पहुंचना है. अभी तक हम सिर्फ सब सोल्यूशन पे पहुंचे हैं. इन सोल्यूशन से what have we got? If I erase them, what have I got? I have only got that P is equal to 16, 16, 16, 16. That is all I have got till now. Are you all understanding? Similarly, Q, R, S, T, U, V निकलेंगे, उसके बाद ओरिजिनल A निकलेगा. समझ आ रहा है ये सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you can now calculate
Yes, ma'am.
this. Anybody any doubt in Strasson's matrix multiplication or its complexity?